Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower, and today I have got some cool stuff to share with y'all. I bought some pegboard, and it's not like regular pegboard. This area down here gets kind of moist, especially in the summertime. It's a lot of shade. So I got metal pegboard. Gonna go ahead, unbox it, install it, and show you what I got. So let's do that. All right, so here's the box. Picked these up on Amazon from Mower. I'll leave a link to where you can get them. Some people don't like Mower. I've never had any issues with them whatsoever. They've been good to me, I've been good to them. But here's what you get. Nice, I picked the black ones. Metal sheeting. So never going to get moldy, never going to get moisture and start to rot and like pull out or whatever. These things should be good for forever, hopefully. So let me go ahead, I'll get it all unboxed, I'll show you what we got. Well, here it is. You can see these. And they say Mower, tough tools, half price, and they have warranty info there. Each kit comes with 4 of these. So it's 2 foot by 4 foot long. I bought 2 kits, and you can see here it also came with, and I'm really happy with that, a whole bunch of like pegboard pieces, and they're like polished chrome, or I wouldn't say they're stainless, probably chrome coated, but screwdrivers, like all kinds of stuff. And if you're doing this into drywall, which most garages would be drywall, I happen to have wood here. It came with mollies and screws to screw things in. So we're pretty much comes with everything. Oh, it also had these little cups you can put, you know, random bits in. Thought that was nice. All right, manual here, pegboard kit. And it looks like there's some different options out there, but you can kind of see the finished products. So some are probably 2x2. This one happens to be 2x4. Yeah, that's what we got here. So 4-piece, I got the SKU3. Max weight capacity is 44 pounds, 24 by 12 inches. There's 4 of them. It is steel. Goes look with the stuff it comes with. Double hook, 4-inch hook, 2-inch hook, V-hook, L-hook, plier holder to lock them too, so when you pull your tool off, they don't just fly out of there, which happens sometimes. Screwdriver holder and work bin, plus you got mollies and self-tapping screws. And so what I need to do, I'm not going to film all this, but I need to figure out like where I'm going to put it as far as, I want it to be level. I also want it to be within reach of my board here that I've got. So there it is. Do not exceed weight capacity. Dry ventilated place. Well, I don't really have a dry ventilated place, but I have a place, and so that's what we're going with. I'm gonna go ahead and install this wall. We'll take a look at it, and then I'll probably show you how to install the other wall. Cool, let's do it. Man, how cool is that? So not a lot to setting it up. It comes with a ton of different choices. Now I have not, because I haven't finalized my location, it does come with these, which lock these into place. Because you'll notice like, you go to pull something out sometimes and this will pull up with it. Well, that's what these little pieces here are for. They slide in and lock this into place so that it won't come back out. It's really cool little device there. Anyway, it's not a very long video, but I did want to share it with you. I'm going to be setting these up, and I'm going to have one on each wall here. Got a little $15 TV set in the corner here. I just think it makes the place look cooler. And I left enough room, so I think eventually I'm going to put a shelf right along the top here. Just put some of the overflow, probably like chemicals, oil and stuff like that. And then underneath here, I made sure that I had enough room to still put, you know, my oil. I've got a tray that is like nuts and bolts and stuff I'm gonna have under here as well. So all that'll still be in place. Anyway, that'll do it, I guess. I'll keep you updated if anything weird happens, but it's just a good looking thing. Like I said, we had thought about doing a 4x8 sheet of pegboard and like cutting it in half and hanging it on the 2 walls. And I was really concerned about moisture down here. That's not bad, but it isn't great either. So hopefully this will help cut that worry out of my mind. Till next time, my friends, take care.